Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix service host network service causing high network usage on Windows 11. If your internet is slow because of this process, here's the fix. Let's get started. All right, first thing, press Control-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Now scroll down in the Processes tab until you find Service Host Diagnostic Policy Service. Click the arrow next to it to expand it. Okay, right-click on it and select Stop. This temporarily stops the service that's using your network. Close Task Manager. Here's the thing. Press the Windows key and search for Run. Open it. In the Run box, type %windire /system32 /SRU and click OK. This opens a folder with system resource usage files. Find the file named srudb.dat and delete it. This resets the system resource usage database. Close the folder. Now we need to run a system file check. Open Task Manager again. Look beside the Processes, then Run New Task. Click Browse. Navigate to This PC, then C Drive, then Windows, then System32. Find cmd.exe, select it, and click Open. Back in the Run New Task window, check Create this task with administrative privileges and click OK. This opens Command Prompt as administrator. Type this command, sfc /scan file equals c:/windows/system32 /ieframe.dll and press Enter. Wait for it to complete. Then type sfc /verify equals c:/windows/system32 /ieframe.dll and press Enter. Once done, type exit to close Command Prompt. Finally, restart your computer. When Windows boots back up, the service host network usage should be back to normal. And that's it. Your service host high network usage is now fixed. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.